see. We have a giant cookie, a big bird cage, a towel, and the mystery mouseketool.
Which mouseketool can help us get the milk cartons out of the way?
I don't think a bird cage or a towel can help us.
How about the giant cookie? Everybody knows that milk goes with cookies.
Yeah! Maybe the milk cartons will go with the cookie.
It sounds silly, but let's try it. We got ears. Say cheers! We have a bird cage, a colorful towel, and the mystery mouseketool. Is there something that looks like a flag?
How about the towel? It's shaped just like a flag.
And it's so colorful. I say we try it.
We got ears. Say cheers!
We have the mystery mouseketool or a big bird cage. We need something to hold Pete so he can't get away with the map.
Do you think we could use the big bird cage to hold Pete?
Sure. We've got ears. Say cheers!
All that's left is the mystery mouseketool. Everybody say, mystery mouseketool! Mystery mouseketool! And today's mystery mouseketool is Space Pirate Pete.
Now let's see. To get a Ketool's tool, I gotta pick one of these 4 colors. Red, yellow, blue, or green. Then I get whatever's behind it. So, give me the red. A milk carton? Oh, how's a milk carton gonna help me stop the rocket? Oh, give me the yellow. A space chicken? How's a space chicken gonna help me? Give me the blue. Swim fins? But, how am I gonna... All I got left is the green. Everybody say, give me the green. Give me the green! Oh, Mickey the Space Captain Mouse?